Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SKULLCANDY Dime free earbuds and I'm going to tell you what to do if only one earbud is working in your iPhone and Android phone. Both on Android and iPhone we have to enter the settings and Bluetooth. So at first on your iPhone open settings and tap on Bluetooth. If you are on Android phone, it's best to enter the settings, connected devices and scroll down to current preferences. Then at the bottom you'll see disconnect preferences, tap on that and tap on Bluetooth. Here in the Bluetooth settings we have to disable Bluetooth for a moment and put our headphones in our case. But as you can see, our case is a little strange. This is not closed case as you can see. This is after this click. Then we have to wait 10 to 20 seconds until our headphones will do themselves a soft reset. Then we can enable Bluetooth back again in both Android and iPhone and check if we can connect to our earbuds. If we still can't connect, we have to contact the device support and do a hard reset. Apart from that, we can take both earbuds and check if there is some dust. If there is, the best way is just to clean it. If your headphones are not charging, make sure that they are charging. It's because as you can see here, I do have these red LED lights and that means that my headphones are charging. Make sure to charge your case before contacting the device support and checking if your headphones are working. Goodbye!